Hi beauties, today I'm creating this look that you see right here. We will be focusing on the eyes, so let's just jump right into it. Always remember to prime your eyelids. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer with a fluffy blending brush. This primer does set pretty fast, so I'm going to blend it out quickly and evenly. I'll be using the Too Faced Best Year Ever palette with a Morphe M513 brush and going in with the color Love Actually. I'll start applying that shade in my crease and building up that color and blending it out back and forth until I get the color payoff that I'm looking for. The next shade I'm using is Pine Cone with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'll basically just be stamping that shade in my crease. And then after I'm done stamping as much pigment into my crease, I'm wiping off my brush on a paper towel, and then I'll begin to diffuse and blend out that darker shade. I like to go back with the first brush that I used and blend that out a little bit more with no extra product. Now with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, I will be cutting the crease. I didn't add in that part of cleaning up the lid, but if you would like to see that, please let me know down in the comment section. I just find that your makeup or that the crease color goes on a little more clean if I clean up the lid before I cut the crease. Now with Christmas Dream and an Ofra No. 3 brush, I will be picking up that shade and patting it onto my lid. Also, I quickly wanted to add that if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Des, and if you enjoy these makeup transformation videos, then please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be updated when I post. With a small brush, I mix Pine Cone and Black Tie, and I darken up the crease. Now I'll be applying concealer where I would normally be applying eyeliner, and I'm doing that so I can lay down some shadow over top and make that shadow pop. I'm using the Plum Pudding shadow, and then towards the outer corner of my lid I'll be using those darker shades, the Pine Cone and Black Tie. Also, another side note, I want to let you guys know that if you want to see my foundation routine, then I have a whole nother video on it, and you can check that out. It includes my color correcting, my concealer, my contour, my highlight. But yeah, go check that out. It will be in my description box. For my lower lash line, I'll be blending out Love Actually, and then with a angled brush, I'll be using the darker shades that I've been combining and putting that as close as I can to my lower lash line and then blending it out. The reason the powder is there under my eyes and around my nose is because when blending shadows, sometimes there's fallout. So what that means is like the shadow will fall like onto your cheeks or whatever. So instead of it being falling directly onto my cheeks, if I have a layer of powder, it's easily swept away, as opposed to if there wasn't any powder there, it would kind of cling onto my skin and smear. This is my favorite mascara. It's the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. It's the waterproof version, and I really like this mascara, especially for straight lashes. I like to apply Mario Badescu setting spray before I apply my highlight. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in So Hollywood. I also like to apply that setting spray to remove that powder look from my face, and it helps make your powder kind of like melt together with your foundation and look more skin-like. Now back to highlighting. I like to do my cheekbones, my brow bone, my inner corner of my eye, my nose, and sometimes the top of my cupid's bow. My most favorite part is applying lashes, and I'm blowing on the lashes, but if you are applying these to anybody else, do not blow on the lashes. That is unsanitary. But yeah, I apply them straight to my lash, and then I pinch them together with my natural lash using tweezers. Obviously, I've been applying lashes for a very long time, so I know how to apply them fairly quickly. Not every time does it go smoothly, but if you guys would like a beginner-friendly lash video, then please let me know down in the comment section. This is a new favorite lipstick. It's the ABH Lychee lipstick. It has like glitter reflex in it, and I'm loving it. This is basically the finished look though. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you recreate this, please tag me on Instagram. Don't forget, all the products will be listed down below in the description box. And I will see you next time, beauties. Bye!